Surely there are many fans of the dense, data-rich layout of Ultrahuman's app, but sadly, that's not the case for most other people. And now the company is trying to change that perspective. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Ultrahuman has dramatically updated its platform with a focus on simplifying and decluttering its layout for easier navigation. Codenamed Emerald, the overhauled app puts contextual information on the default tab and customized to your needs at any given time. The second biggest innovation is in something the company is calling Ultrasphere, a decision engine which generates a series of next best actions. It's a given that the company's homegrown AI Jade will look at your vital signs and contextual data to offer tips on how to stay healthy. So if you're working a 9 to 5 and your energy starts to dip at 3 p.m., you'll be advised to take a 10-minute walk in the sun since it's better for waking you up than necking a coffee. As part of the overhaul, the Ultrahuman app now handles all of its insight processing on device, so it'll still work when your phone isn't connected. That's going to be especially ideal when you're flying, as you'll still get useful insights when you really need them the most. The company says it's also updated the algorithms behind its VO2 Max calculations for a more accurate look at your blood oxygen levels. There are also updates to AFib detection, sharing, and the option to watch your heart rate data live in the app. Ultrahuman's Emerald update has already started rolling out to all of its users and will be available for every user soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.